CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 4.2. Summarize Cloud Computing Concepts. Cloud Characteristics. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way organizations manage and utilize their IT resources, offering a plethora of benefits such as flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. At the heart of cloud computing lie several key characteristics that underpin its functionality and value proposition. These characteristics, including shared resources, metered utilization, rapid elasticity, high availability, file synchronization, and multi-tenancy, collectively contribute to the efficiency, reliability, and accessibility of cloud services. Understanding these fundamental aspects is essential for organizations seeking to leverage the full potential of cloud computing in their operations. So let's define each characteristic and add them to our vocabulary. Shared resources in cloud computing refers to the pooling of computing resources, such as servers, storage, and networking, to serve multiple users or tenants. This is often referred to as resource pooling. In this model, the underlying physical infrastructure is shared among many customers, and resources are dynamically allocated and reassigned based on demand. This allows cloud providers to efficiently utilize their hardware while delivering scalable services to many users at the same time. The opposite approach is known as dedicated resources. In that model, the computing resources such as servers, storage, or networking components are not shared. Instead, they are reserved for a single customer or tenant. Metered utilization refers to the capability of cloud computing systems to measure and charge only for the resources that are actually used. This provides transparency and accountability for both cloud providers and their customers. Usage is typically measured on a pay-as-you-go basis, meaning organizations are billed according to the amount of computing resources they consume rather than paying for fixed infrastructure. Cloud providers track several types of resource usage. Common examples include CPU utilization, which measures how much processing power is consumed, storage usage, which tracks how much data is stored in the cloud environment, and network ingress and egress, which measures the amount of data entering and leaving the cloud network. By monitoring these metrics, providers can accurately bill customers based on their actual resource consumption. This metered approach allows organizations to scale their infrastructure up or down as needed while maintaining control over costs. As a result, companies can optimize resource allocation and budgeting based on real usage rather than estimated capacity. Rapid elasticity is the ability of cloud computing systems to scale resources up or down quickly and automatically in response to changing demand. This scalability is often achieved through the dynamic provisioning and deprovisioning of resources. Cloud environments can rapidly scale resources to accommodate fluctuations in workload demand, such as adding resources during the peak usage times and automatically removing it when the peak is over. For example, with an e-commerce website, more web servers can be quickly added to handle increased traffic. Overall, rapid elasticity enables cloud systems to be provisioned according to demand, allowing organizations to efficiently manage their resources and adapt to changing workload requirements without manual intervention. High availability refers to the ability of cloud computing systems to ensure that services and resources are accessible and operational for users when needed, typically through redundancy and fault tolerance. Cloud providers implement redundancy and fault tolerance across their infrastructure to minimize downtime and ensure continuous availability of services. This includes measures to prevent a single point of failure, ensuring that if one component fails, redundant systems can immediately take over without interrupting service. Additionally, cloud environments can quickly fail over to another server, data center, or region in the event of an outage, further enhancing availability and resilience. These failover mechanisms provide organizations with confidence in relying on cloud services for critical operations, knowing that their applications and data will remain accessible even in the face of hardware failures or maintenance activities. Next up, we have file synchronization. This is the process of ensuring that files and data are consistently updated and mirrored across multiple devices or locations, allowing users to access the latest versions of files from any device or location. Cloud storage services often include file synchronization capabilities, allowing users to sync files across devices and access them from anywhere with an internet connection. This facilitates collaboration, data sharing, and remote access to files, improving productivity and efficiency for users and organizations. Lastly, we have multi-tenancy. Multi-tenancy is a cloud computing architecture in which a single system or infrastructure serves multiple customers, often referred to as tenants. Each tenant operates in a logically isolated environment, even though they are all using the same underlying physical hardware and platform. In a multi-tenant environment, the cloud provider manages the shared infrastructure while ensuring that each tenant's data, applications, and workloads remain separate and secure. From the user's perspective, it appears as though they have their own dedicated environment, but in reality, the system is efficiently supporting many different organizations at the same time. This concept closely relates to the idea of shared resources that we discussed earlier. In most multi-tenant environments, multiple tenants share the same underlying computing resources, such as servers, storage, and networking infrastructure. These resources are pooled and dynamically allocated as needed. However, some cloud providers also offer dedicated resource options within a multi-tenant platform. In those cases, a customer may have exclusive access to specific hardware while still benefiting from the overall cloud management platform and services. Understanding multi-tenancy helps explain how cloud providers efficiently support many different organizations at once while maintaining logical separation and security between tenants. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.